18 years I've been teaching a sports reporting course, and it's something the university decided that was needed. There was a lot of hunger for, a lot of students wanted to learn about sports journalism, and what it really is in my mind is it's a mini internship. I mean, that's what I tell my students at the beginning. I don't really view this as an academic type class. This is a class which is very hands-on, and you are going to know by the end of the semester if sports journalism is really something you want to do, or if you want to just remain a fan.
My favorite aspect is that it's just so centralized to what I want to do as a career. I've known for a while that I've wanted to work in sports media, and there's not a better class at Miami, nor do I think anywhere else than this class.
This is something that cannot be replicated from a book, from a class assignment, from a reading assignment. These are things that students have to learn. And yes, I do teach lessons in the classroom. I teach about interviewing techniques, writing techniques, how to write faster on deadline, how to cultivate sources, how to sift fact from fiction.
She brings in people from all across the field to talk about their experiences and to give their life lessons. And given that she's worked at the Miami Herald for decades, she just has so much knowledge to give to us, the students, and I'm very glad that I took the class.
It's very much a hands-on type of course where students are getting to be in the field in Miami and being on press row, dressed like professionals, acting like professionals, and it's something that you cannot replicate in a classroom. It's just Miami. We have the benefit of being a major sports town, so I think it's a great opportunity for students to really see what it's like. And you are going to learn in this class exactly what it's like, the pressures. You're going to learn what it's like to have to deal with athletes after losses and tough situations, ask tough questions, cultivate sources. But the most important part of the class is the hands-on element, because that is where the students can really learn what it's like.
This was really the first time that I've worked in professional areas of work, like the Heat, Inter Miami, and the Miami Marlins. And through that, you're just welcome to what the work environment would be like as a sports journalist working at these professional teams, or working at these outlets covering these professional teams. And through the connections that Professor Kaufman has built through many years working in this area, I've been able to speak to and meet some just incredible journalists and learn so many different things at these different media events. And it really just prepares you for the real world of sports media and sports journalism. To be able to cover a game as part of a media and ask questions after the game was over to players was just such a surreal experience that I will never forget.